Words to describe: beautiful, sophisticated.
We're one of the fastest growing areas in the country, and that didn't happen by accident. That happened by design.
As you're sitting in the transformed convention center right now, think about the hotel, the amphitheater across the street, and the Oxbow and the old pier building. So it's not just a hotel, it's not just a convention center, it's an entire footprint.
And I walked into the lobby and I thought, they did it. They combined history and contemporary and a sense of what we are. We are a charming, vibrant, real community.
This transaction is far and away one of the most sophisticated, complex transactions I have ever known.
Wednesday the 23rd is true opening date of the hotel. So you'll be able to check into a hotel room. The Dean Street Coffee Roastery, when you walk in there and you smell that coffee roasting, it's amazing. The lobby bar and LMA's Diner. Then you can set your watches for Thursday, October 15th. That's the date we're going to open the Beacon Social Drinkery rooftop bar, and that is really going to be the sexiest thing we've got in this place. Then on November 5th, we're going to open Silver King Ocean Brasserie, and that's our fine dining restaurant. I hope that locals will embrace the mentality we have, which is activating every square inch of the hotel